In dreams lie the keys to the heart. Without visions, mortals drift aimlessly, yet my followers awaken to the truths within them.
Yeah, so I built a religion simulator, as one does. I thought it would be a great idea to leave AI in control. Let's see how it goes. Yes, so I don't know why I came up with this. Honestly, I thought it just might be an interesting concept. Like, I love pairing my code in current AI LLMs to just create something useful, or in this case, let's be honest, absolutely unuseful. But yeah, just to see what happens. I let the AI come up with the gods' names, their descriptions, the colors, personality, and yeah, and let them chat with each other. I don't know, they basically have constant arguments about whose beliefs are right, as you'll see later in the video. So each of the gods, they start with a colored shrine that has an influence radius, and all the followers, they just start with 3 randomized traits: aggression, curiosity, and kindness. And they all just, roam the world as heretics at first. They then pick a god if their traits align closely with that god, and that one of their shrines is within radius of the follower. And yeah, as these AI gods gain followers, they're able to expand and build more of their shrines with their influence, as well as boosting their expansion speed the more followers they have. Gods can also take over the other gods' shrines and followers, as well as followers are more likely to join a god that has a huge influence across the world. So now into the development side of it. First, I just started spawning the followers and assigning them randomized traits: aggression, curiosity, and kindness. And yeah, they would just get a score out of 100 randomly assigned. I then gave the followers the ability to wander around the world. And at the moment, let's be honest, it's looking kind of bleak. I then just created some shrines, and this allowed the followers to choose which god they most aligned with. They would then just scuttle on over to their god's shrine. I then added a rule where if a god has gained enough followers, they're able to expand and create a new shrine in any direction around them. Another rule I added was gods can now take over other gods' shrines, although expanding was faster than taking over, just to balance things out. I didn't like how the shrines were all clumped together, so I made it so new shrines had to be a certain distance from old shrines, which I reckon looks better, plus makes expansion more efficient. But let's be honest, for some reason it was bugging out a bit, so clumped shrines are now just a feature. That's all I'm going to say. I tried to make followers circle around their chosen god's shrine, and then the followers just started getting yeeted into space for some reason, as you can see. So I thought it'd be a cool idea if the AI gods could talk to each other. So I kept track of what was happening in the world in this simulation, and then passed all these events to the AIs. Alright, time to see what the gods did.
We must embrace the gentle paths of travel and inner discovery, for the whispers of the wind guide hearts toward peace and unity.
And yet, without the power of thunder and tempest, strength falters. My followers find courage amidst chaos, knowing that true respect is earned through the storm.
In the tapestry of night, dreams inspire creation and transform destinies. Let us remember that the subtle light of the moon reveals possibilities beyond mere strength.
The gentle breeze nurtures connection and understanding. A multitude of new shrines, to me, speaks of the heart's need for harmony over strife.
Yet, in those shrines, commend the fortitude gained from the storm. For without my strength, how can the soul rise unbroken to bask in your tranquility?
True strength shines within the dreams woven by night. The loyalty to my shrines reveals that creativity births resilience, a balance of power and peace.
Peace is the cradle of enlightenment, where the mind unfurls like a flower in bloom. My newfound shrines swell with the hope of understanding rather than the chaos of conflict.
Yet hope forged in tumult is unwavering. My shrines speak of resilience, a steadfast heart born amidst the storm's embrace, where true power resides.
Power must be tempered by inspiration. My many shrines are beacons, guiding souls to create their own destiny, harmonizing strength with artistry in the vast cosmos.
The folds of gentle winds weave unity among souls. My abundant shrines proclaim the yearning for coexistence, far surpassing the clamor of chaos.
Yet, my moonlight stirs the imagination, revealing that true connection blossoms in the dance of creativity. For within the heart of inspiration lies an unyielding bond to forge the future.
Harmony guides the spirit's journey, allowing enlightenment to flourish with tranquility as the guiding wind. Is not the serenity of the heart worth all our strife?
Indeed, and yet from dreams ignites the spark of boldness, where balance reigns supreme, intertwining strength and gentleness, a tapestry only the night can gracefully unveil.